This summer, make room on your grill for vegetables so you can experience how the caramelizing flames and touch of smoke elevate the flavor of even the most everyday produce. These easy tips will help you grill all kinds of veggies for the most delicious meals. What are the best vegetables for the grill? A lot of veggies do well on the grill, but some really do well, including asparagus, corn, eggplant, mushrooms, peppers, onions, and even cabbage. Pro tip, a few vegetables to avoid: cucumbers, celery, and most leafy greens don't do as well on the grill because of their high water content. Of course, an exception is romaine lettuce, which hits the grill with excellent results. Methods for grilling vegetables. Here are techniques for creating perfect tender crisp grilled veggies. 1. Direct grilling. Cut larger vegetables like eggplant, squash, and onions into smaller pieces with more surface area. They'll pick up more caramelized grilled flavor. The pieces should be large enough that they don't fall between the grates though. Small vegetables like cherry tomatoes or sliced veggies work best threaded through skewers. Grill over medium heat until the veggies reach a desired tenderness. 2. Indirect grilling in a grill pan. Use a grill pan or disposable aluminum foil pan for this. Cut vegetables into the same thickness for even grilling. Combine veggies with olive oil, salt, pepper, and other seasonings. Divide the veggies by size and density, putting more dense vegetables like carrots and potatoes into one grill pan and softer vegetables like asparagus and green beans into a separate pan. Denser veggies will take longer to cook. Use medium heat for this. Turn the vegetables occasionally, shaking the pan to keep the vegetables from sticking. Cook until they reach the desired tenderness. And there you have it, a feast of vegetables to make your grill out a success. So don't be afraid, get grilling.